I'm sure a lot of you guys don't know what the hell happened. You guys see a suitcase, you guys see me putting on clothes, you guys see me in a room that does look like my room for those who really pay attention to my house. You guys don't see Ianga. Well, right now I'm getting ready to board a flight to a country which I won't say yet. I just want you guys to stay tuned to the video to view it. I know all of this is like a surprise thing, but as I said in the mukbang, I have a lot of stuff that I haven't been saying and a lot of stuff that I've been preparing for. And you guys have to just stay tuned for all of that. I know for a fact a lot of you don't really engage with my second channel, which is the main channel, the comedy channel, because of comments I see on this channel. I don't see those people on my other channel. For the real people who like engage with both channels, you know that a lot of videos have been posted on my next channel. I've been going off on YouTube, like a lot of work on YouTube. For those who watch the vlogs, you know, me and my girlfriend just moved together. So you know, you have that for deal with, you have bills to deal with, you have life to deal with, you have a family to help out and them things. So it's a lot of stuff. Trust me, when it comes to like working, like, I know people think like YouTube is just a fun thing, but trust me, it actually takes up a lot of your time, a lot of your energy. Enough time, I just feel if I just sleep, and I can't sleep because I have bills to pay and all of that, you see me? And maybe I reason it with Ian just say, yo, I probably need a little vacation, which it told we come to a mutual agreement about it. So for those who are thinking, where is Ian, she not gonna come with me this time. Hopefully next year, them time, me and her can actually go on one couple's vacation. So during all of this time, when I've been done putting out videos and all of that, I did my visa for this certain country. I did actually never did go even fly on it before it expired because I have so much doing, and it's like I never want to go away from what I do because I want to make sure that things smoothly sailing. But I say, you know what, it would be good for the vlog, it would be good for me. Sometimes I really need to get away because I have so much on my mind, people hitting me up all the while want things, and it's just so much for dealing. And at the same time I have to still try keep motivated and focus on work and stay out of trouble. So this is one of those surprise things that I have planned for you guys. So you see, a lot of you guys don't know this. If you follow me on Snapchat though, you'll probably see a little hint because I posted my setaway bag and I think the coat I'm going to wear today on it, and then we post a little snap with me kissing Iandra. Everything happened so fast. I was planning to leave my house this morning to go straight to the airport. The person who was supposed to carry me never end up available. So me end up leave come town that can be like closer to the airport and all of that. Yesterday I'm going to the bathroom and say, you know, I have to go just probably go town from now. Yo, I literally hear her in them, I know she there crying. She never admit, but I know she there crying. And I did feel sad too. But you know, we look a hug up and kiss and all of that. So babe, I'm good. You see me? You know something good too, because I used to speak to before I fall asleep. And I know you probably wait now and probably wait for you to call me or wait for you to text me because you feel like you want me to get more sleep. But little did you know that wake up 1 o'clock, go back to sleep, wake up 2:13, go back to sleep, wake up 3:27, go back to sleep, wake up 4:29. I start play PUBG because it's like me I wake up every minute. You know that little feeling there when you're supposed to do something. For example, when you're in primary school and you're supposed to go on a trip, you wake up every minute. Most people don't sleep. So, all of that. Nervous, my anxiousness are killing me, my anxiety. You know, let me see if I can leave the car right now. Babe.
Baby.
How you know wait me?
My dress will walk.
You alright?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be already and put on my clothes.
Would you call me?
Alright, hold on. Hello.
Baby.
Good morning, my little love bug.
Morning.
No, I tell the vlog good morning.
Good morning.
How you sleep?
Every minute.
Me wake up every minute too.
Let me see all I am.
Hold on. How me look? Remember, I'm going to put on my jacket yet, you know, how me look?
You look like my sugar daddy.
Hey, yo, you there fit up car with that?
Oh,
most of me I feel like take off my shoes, take off my belt, even take off my earring too. Me I wonder if I don't met everybody else search for all of them things. But they start change out some money to the currency where me, to the country where I go, you see me? And I see some stairs and an escalator. Me never take an escalator yet, me always scared of it, but me I go try it out. See that? So only thing if I try it out, I want 10 extra likes if I try it out. Me I go do it still. First time for everything though. I can't believe me that did. Supposed to give one a little view. Now I catch a plane and go out. Well on. Trust me, I'm nervous plus tax, especially on the escalator because me not too trouble them thing there. You see me, I want my biggest fear that I get hitch tonight. I don't know why I get itch, but I make sure I say hold on my head and go and look. You see me? So I need to try to connect to them people your Wi-Fi because I need to like link here and try to make sure I say alright or something. So I so blame on the back. Yo, here's who I just run into. The great, yeah man. Yo man, this man will link up and he just come up.
Wait there. I go to you look familiar, you know. So I say, hold on there.
Yeah.
I raise that.
But just there, so sit down nervous. But just there, sit down and look nervous at the port of space and the man come and leave me.
So the bridge over here say, I shiver. I say, I can't call him port.
And look at me. Me and feeling for him just come out but through this go come up. If we just put out everything.
I see it there. God do him do, you know.
Yeah, God do him do. You know? So, when you look at him good, you know, a yard man, you know, man.
Make sure it's in like
Who the man
subscribe to the
thing?
channel, don't know,
Yeah.
God want to eat anything there.
Straight.
See me, I say,
Yeah.
yeah man.
Yo, I swear, man, enough time I feel like more sound like that, but my ear now go far.
Yes.
My ear, anytime my ear go, because stop one part, I don't go no more.
Yeah, you mentioned just lock it up, you know, palm more and keep it natural, see me, I say. Like, you know, say someone love the interlocking, trust me, dog. There's no for take care of here, dog, I lit up and all them sitting there.
I'm good.
Yeah man.
Yeah, I have only to learn because my girl knows that I can't bother to come in here, but that's why I'm
Me, I
here.
tell you, take patience,
Take patience.
Yeah, man.
Why? As long as when you lock it for your time, you can stay so I'm good. Because we can't bother to come here every minute. Cut off this. Yeah, man.
So you don't know what they are none. I don't know why every time I go places, I buck up on stars.
Yeah.
Buck up on yard man eat and I never apart for much days. But
Yeah.
look who they be on the camera. Look up Razablade now.
You don't know. I see Queen of dancehall, so I now make it pass. Yo, more spice for my vlog. Spice Razablade TV vlog. Yeah, people just about to board the flight, you know. Now we are talking to the vlog, you know. Yeah, but they do it.
Yo, we're rich man. Yo, what boss? Oh, I'm going to see your place. So you're
You know? So you know what pure vibes, you know. Yo, gate one my thing there, you know, look like I want this, you know. So, little more, isn't it? We chat, you know. Right.
Mr. White, where is your permit? Is it stamped inside? Oh, visa. So, is it first time traveling on
Yes,
this?
miss, first time.
Right. Go ahead and get your documents here so you can enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Grab a mic with your visitors, friends, and associates in the mini food court. Enjoy hassle-free check-in.
Not training, I was training. Yeah, man, from the house spice for the thing up. Hello, good morning, miss.
Good morning.
No problem with me filming.
No.
Okay, thank you.
One second while this person comes up.
Okay.
So it's going to be 14 rows down to your left.
14 rows down to my left.
To your left, right?
Okay.
It's a window seat.
Oh, good.
Are you recording
Yeah.
that?
Yes, miss, I'm awake.
Okay, my voice is on it as
Yes,
well?
your voice.
Okay, well, my name is Rose.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
and
you.
you are?
I'm Jason.
Jason, welcome aboard. What do you do for a living?
I do YouTube.
You do YouTube?
Yes, I'm a YouTuber, so
Okay,
I'm vlogging my trip.
So what's going to happen right now? I'm going to see myself on YouTube.
Yeah, gonna
Fix
see
me up there now?
yourself. Make sure you catch your
Alright, just
proper.
make sure you catch me properly.
Hello,
Really
Rose.
nice, man. Hello,
I need the
Jason.
beautiful people on it.
Thank you very much, Jason.
Yeah.
I like it. You're station manager, Miss
Yeah,
Carol.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sorry.
Official.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jason, welcome.
So it's 14 down to my left.
To your left. Follow instructions. You see, if it's your first time, you're actually on here. So right there, 1 all the way down.
Okay,
to
thank
14.
you.
And I know you can come.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, in the plane right now. Can't see outside because my exposure turn up. But that's why I get my earphone because I want to listen to music meanwhile.
To do this, insert the metal tab into the buckle, then pull on the loose end of the strap for a tight fit. To open, you will simply pull forward on the buckle cover. This time, your seatbelt should be securely fastened. This Yandere flight, you should be aware of all the emergency exits nearest to you. These actually have been pointed out to the forward entry door, forward service door, 4 window exits to over each wing, and after entry door and after service door. In the event of an emergency, all the exit lights will be clearly...
Hey, they just big up. They just big up at the flight, look like.
Take your old glass. It was good, Jason?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, people, so I finally come through. My boss reached for me same time yesterday.
See it there?
So, I'm look so short. Because that was right
Yo,
now.
stop that, man. Stop that, man.
I'm ready, I don't know, people.
Come on.
Because you know, say music me, I'm going to look up. No, no, if
How was the flight over, fam?
Yeah, the flight was great. Nah, like, flight was the only one thing. It was like a little woo sound up in the plane, but I had on my earphones, so it didn't affect me that bad. Like this year, like a couple months ago, was the first time I ever take off a wheel off a car. You see me?
Yo, my workplace, I used to work. Yo, you could connect to the Wi-Fi, you know, for the Wi-Fi.
Our Wi-Fi here,
Yeah.
because I need to make some texts and all of that, you know,
Yeah,
need to make my booby know that I reach and all that. I reach and go through all of the nervous shaky parts them. See?
And I'm happy.
Hey, I will stop and make somebody ask me a question. It's rough. I listen to them 3 times and I ask them a question 3 times. Yeah, man, come in nervous, man.
I'm just happy to you reach out, alright.
You know?
What are you pretty, man?
Yeah, man, tell them on the water pretty fun, man. That's why they say we have to clean this water.
Yeah, them sound of yeah.
1 point. So, over on that side of the island now, it's more higher.
Oh.
So, the water on that side is more shallower. So,
Oh.
you can walk out all, probably from right there, so, probably to that white buoy out there.
What?
In the
And
water.
then you say, oh, you can still swim. That's
Yeah,
good.
but you see the one thing about that I don't like, no? Like when you go into that water, just because, you know, just because the island higher in, like, we got more reef on that side, and the current not strong.
Oh, it's not strong for good.
If it's not strong, then it can't, like, yo, like the sanding thing, it has a system in it, you understand? The water waves come in eat it away, and then the same waves come back and put back the sand there.
Oh.
You understand me? That way certain beaches, now you will see all pure rocks, yeah. Next couple weeks you come back, you see pure sand. You see me I come from because it just a system in how it's set up, like, you know what I mean? Oxtail gravy. What oxtail gravy for you?
Yeah, man, put oxtail gravy on my
Oxtail
man.
gravy, I do it great for the vlog.
You see how we. Oh yeah, Jamaican food them way there.
Brother, me tell you, say they want little Jamaica farm.
Yeah.
A Cayman, but a Jamaica.
Yeah. Straight.
He just come in our place, you know?
Right now, here's the vlog done here, man. I have a lot more footage I need to put up, but I'm tired. I'm actually doing one camera edit. You see me? I'm ready to deal with something. I didn't want to help me, but yeah, my phone not stop ring from my reach, yo. Because I honestly never tell anybody at all, so I come. Angel alone knows I come. So you know, I have a bag of people to tell. Even though I just don't talk to my mother or something. Stay tuned for some old vlogs, because I don't know I'm not going to go now, I don't give you no old vlogs. And it's my first time I travel, so I don't know me I go vlog. I don't know. You see me? So, we talk tonight if I upload something else.